Everyday English Essentials.
Welcome to Everyday English Essentials. Today, we'll learn important words and phrases related to making requests and asking questions. This will help you ask for and understand questions in different situations. Let's get started. Section 1. Basic request words and phrases. When making requests, it's important to be polite. Using words like please, could you please, and would you mind will makes your request sound nicer. Now let's go through some examples.
Hi Jack. Can you help me choose a drink? I don't know what to order.
Of course. Do you want something hot or cold?
I think I want something cold.
Do you like coffee or tea?
I like both, but I want something sweet.
How about an iced caramel latte? It's sweet and creamy.
That sounds good. Can you tell me if it has a lot of sugar?
A little, but you can ask for less sugar if you want.
Oh, that's great. Can you order one for me? I feel a little shy.
No problem. I'll order it for you. I think you'll love it.
Mommy, I'm really hungry. Could you help me choose something to eat?
Of course. Do you feel like eating something light or something filling?
I think I want something filling.
How about a grilled chicken sandwich? Comes with fries.
That sounds great. But I don't like mayo. Could you ask them to leave it out?
Sure. I'll tell the waiter.
Thanks, Mommy. Oh, and could you also ask for some extra napkins?
No problem. I'll take care of it.
Excuse me, would you mind moving your bag? I'd like to sit here.
Oh, of course. Let me move it for you.
Thank you.
No problem. It's really crowded today.
Yeah, it is.
Would you mind if I open the window? It's a bit hot.
Not at all. That would be nice.
Excuse me, would you mind telling me where this bus stops near the library?
Sure, it stops 2 blocks away. I'll let you know when we get close.
Thanks, that's really helpful.
Ben, can you help me with something?
Sure. What do you need?
Please pass me the remote. I can't reach it.
Here you go.
Thanks. Oh, and please turn off the lights. I want to watch a movie.
No problem. Oh, do you like some popcorn?
Oh yes, please. Movies are better with snacks.
Alright. Do you need anything else?
That's all. You are the best.
Enjoy your movie.
Now that we know how to make requests, let's look at some ways to ask questions. Section 2. Common question words. When asking questions, we use words like what, where, when, why, and how to get more information. Let's look at some examples with these question words.
Hello, how can I help you?
Hi. I need a new jacket. What color do you think looks good on me?
I think blue would look great on you.
Blue sounds nice. What size should I get?
Let's check your size on this jacket. What size do you usually wear?
I usually wear a medium.
Perfect. This one is a medium. What do you think?
I love it. But what material is it made of?
It's cotton. It feels soft and warm.
That's great. I'll buy it. Thanks for helping me.
No problem. You're going to look awesome in it.
Hey Tommy, I need to buy a new book. Where can I find one?
I think there's a bookshop on the 2nd floor.
Oh, great. Where is the escalator?
It's over there, near the coffee shop.
Where do you usually buy books?
I usually get them online, but this store has some good ones too. They have all kinds of books that we are looking for.
That's good to know. Anyway, where should we go after this?
How about the food court? I'm getting hungry.
That sounds perfect. Let's go.
Linda, I really want to go on a trip. When is your next free weekend?
Let me check. I'm free next Saturday.
That's great. When should we leave?
How about early in the morning? Maybe 7 a.m.?
That sounds good. When do you think we'll be back?
Maybe in the evening, around 6 or 7 p.m.
Perfect. When should we start packing?
Let's pack on Friday night so we don't forget anything.
Good idea. I'm so excited. Hey Josh, you look tired today. Didn't you sleep well?
I stayed up late studying for the math test.
Oh, I see. Why didn't you start studying earlier?
I wanted to, but I was busy with soccer practice.
That makes sense. But you always seem to leave studying until the last minute.
I know. I really need to manage my time better.
Yeah. Getting enough sleep is just as important as studying.
You're right. Next time, I'll start earlier.
This soup is amazing. How did you make it?
It's actually really simple. I just boiled some vegetables and added chicken.
How long does it take to cook?
About 30 minutes. The vegetables need time to soften.
I see. But how do you make it taste so good?
The secret is adding just the right amount of salt and pepper at the perfect time.
That's a great tip. How often do you cook?
A few times a week. I think cooking is really fun.
I want to learn too. Maybe you can show me next time.
Now, let's look at different ways to ask questions in a polite manner. Section 3. Asking for information politely. If you need help or information, adding, "Excuse me," or "Could you tell me," or "Do you know," makes your question sound polite.
Excuse me, can you tell me where the ticket counter is?
Sure. It's over there, next to the coffee shop.
Thanks. I also need to go to Central Station. Can you tell me which train I should take?
You should take the blue line. The next train arrives in 10 minutes.
Oh, that's great. One more thing, can you tell me how much the ticket costs?
It's $2.50 for a one-way ticket.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your help.
No problem. Have a safe trip.
Excuse me, could you tell me where the nearest bus stop is?
Sure. It's just 2 blocks away, next to the grocery store.
Thank you. Also, could you tell me which bus goes to the city center?
You can take bus number 12. It stops right in front of the mall.
Got it. And could you tell me how long the ride takes?
About 20 minutes, depending on traffic.
That's helpful. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Hey Brandon, do you know what time this cafe closes?
I think it closes at 9 p.m., but I'm not sure.
Oh, okay. Do you know if they have free Wi-Fi?
Yes, the password is on the menu.
Great. I need to check my emails. By the way, do you know if they serve breakfast all day?
Yes, they do. Their pancakes are really good.
That sounds delicious. Let's order some.
Good idea.
Next, let's see how to ask for permission. Section 4. Asking for permission. If you want to do something but need approval, you can politely ask for permission using phrases, such as, may I, can I, or, is it okay if I? Let's take a look at how these phrases are used through some examples.
Excuse me, may I sit here?
Of course. Go ahead.
Thanks. I need to study for my exam. May I borrow your pen?
Sure. Here you go.
Dad, may I ask you a question about math?
Of course. What do you need help with?
I don't understand this problem. Can you explain it?
No problem. Let me show you how to solve it.
Hey Tim, your new headphones look cool. Can I try them?
Sure, here you go.
Wow, the sound is amazing. Can I listen to one more song?
Of course, take your time.
Thanks. Oh, I'm feeling a bit thirsty. Would it be okay if I had a glass of water?
No problem, let me finish this, then I'll grab one for you.
Thanks.
Hey Lily, this is a nice couch. Is it okay if I lie down for a bit? Of course. Make yourself comfortable. Thanks. It's been a long day. Oh, is it okay if I don't take off my shoes? Yeah, no problem. We always wear shoes inside anyway. By the way, is it okay if I change the TV channel? Sure. What do you feel like watching? Maybe a comedy? I could use a good laugh.
Great idea.
Let's watch something funny.
Now, let's see how to respond to requests and questions. Section 5. Responding to requests and questions. When someone makes a request or asks a question, you can respond in different ways. To agree, say, yes, of course, or sure. If you need to decline, use, I'm sorry, but. If you're unsure, simply say, I don't know, sorry.
Hey Ben, I forgot my book at home. Mind if I borrow yours for a bit?
Let me finish reading first, then I'll give it to you.
Got it. Thanks. Oh, do you have a pen I can use?
Sure. Take this one.
Hey Lily, our group project is still missing a story. Can you help me add one? Sure. Let's work on it together and get it done. Okay. As long as we submit it today, we're good.
Amber, mind if I borrow your bike for a quick ride?
I'm sorry, but I need it to go home soon.
Oh, I see. No problem. By the way, want to play basketball with us?
I'd love to, but I need to finish my homework first.
That's okay. Maybe later?
Yeah, maybe in an hour.
Sounds good. Let me know when you're free.
Sure.
Thank you for your purchase. If you need to buy more, feel free to contact me at this phone number.
Okay. I'll contact you next time. Honey, can you help me carry these bags?
Of course. Which one should I take?
The heavy ones. Oh, can we stop by the bakery? I want to buy some bread.
Sure. Let's go.
Oh. Hold on. Could you hold these bags for a second?
Sure. No problem.
You're the best.
Hey Jason, do you know what time the library closes?
It's 5 p.m.
Oh, do you know where the history book section is?
I'm not sure.
What about the magazine section? I've been looking for it.
I'm not sure, sorry. Maybe you should ask the librarian.
Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. Thanks.
Let's wrap up what we've learned today. Today, we learned how to make polite requests and ask questions in different ways. We also explored how to ask for permission and respond appropriately in various situations. By practicing these skills, you can communicate more naturally and confidently in English. Keep practicing to improve your fluency. Thanks for watching.
If you found this video helpful, give us a like, share, and subscribe to Everyday English Essentials for more lessons. Let us know in the comments what topics you'd like next. See you in the next video.